Now some people wonder, how strong is polycarbonate? Well, here's a little example. We have a 20-year-old polycarbonate door here. Let's just see how tough it really is. Yeah, it's kind of tough. It is pretty strong. Oh, I guess I need a bigger tool. Okay, I know you guys are going to give me a hard time if I don't use the sharp edge. This polycarbonate section held up to just about everything but the sharp end of the axe, and it took a few blows before it even broke through. So you can see how tough polycarbonate really is.